Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to preview your site on Wix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in wix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Wix if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have my site where you have all of your websites in one place. We have the setup, home, we have the settings and the design site and the dashboard where we are at the current moment. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and preview your site on Wix. So go to all sites pages in your account, which is here. So basically here. Then hover over the site you want to preview and click site actions. Or you can just go to the website as I have it here. Then click preview site view list. Okay, so then click preview at the top right of the editor. So we have the preview here, which you can take and click. Browse your site preview. And here you can go and of course preview your site, how it will look. You can also click on here to switch to mobile to preview it how it looks on a mobile device. Then click on the preview button at the top as the editor. And of course, it will open a new tab on your website where you can go and check it. If you like it, you can then go click to the top right corner, click on publish, and your website will be published. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it'll be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.